What's up, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, y'all should already know, if you read by the title, what type of video this is. This is going to be a luxury haul video. Y'all love these videos on my channel. This is literally probably where most of my subscribers have come from so far, from doing these types of videos. So really appreciate y'all. My channel has grew a lot in the year 2021, and I'm just looking forward to more growth in 2022, and I have y'all to thank for the growth that I already have. So yeah, make sure y'all keep running these videos up. I love doing these for y'all just as much as y'all love watching them. So yeah, I just appreciate y'all. I thank y'all for watching these. And before y'all bombard my DMs or comments, they're still open for inquiries always, but just please make sure I check the description box and just hit my blog, because everything you'll be looking for is there. And yeah, I just want to say this is my favorite company. We back at it again with another video with them. I have 3 more items that they sent over, and I thank them so much for sponsoring this video. Y'all know, if you know, you know, this company, my favorite company, just my favorite company. The Instagram seller, y'all. Like I said, please check the link, the blog link, specifically the first link in my description box. She also can follow my Instagram, my little back page Instagram, where I sell luxe items that I don't want. There's some goodies on there right now as I speak, so please make sure I go check that out, because I have things that I need to get rid of, y'all. If it's luxe related, my Instagram page. If it's anything else related, any other brands or just regular stuff that I'm getting rid of, it'll be on my Poshmark. So I will have all those things in the description box down below for y'all to check out. Let's go ahead and get into these items, okay? The company that sent me these items, I freaking love them. I will literally keep collaborating with them until I can't anymore. I just love the quality of their items. I fell in love with this company simply because every item I've received, top tier quality. Like in the video, my camera, it speaks for itself. I don't too much be getting into packaging. If you're not new on this channel, you would know why I don't do certain things anymore. For the safety of my channel, I want to keep bringing y'all these videos and just doing them the best way that I can. We can stay up and running and just doing this, and I can keep doing this for y'all. It just says Bottega Veneta on it, so it is a Bottega item. I did not pick 2 of these items in the video, and I picked 1. Y'all might be seeing these items on my Instagram page. Make sure I stay tuned. It did come this little cute, really nice dust bag. This is the bag. She is really pretty. Y'all know I usually tend to lean towards bags and shoes. I'm sharing this company in specific with you guys, and again, all 3 items are coming from the same exact company. So this is the bag. This is the Bottega Veneta cassette crossbody bag, I believe, the padded cassette crossbody bag, and it's just in this pretty like, I don't know, y'all, like a camel brown. It don't matter, y'all, it's just this pretty like camel color. It reminds me of fall. So pretty. And just like the name, it is a padded cassette tape, not cassette tape, it is a padded cassette bag, just like the name says. So this is the bag, little 360 for y'all. It does have the straps that is literally the same texture and feel of the bag. This is just what it looks like. It's giving belt buckle. That's really cute. Y'all know I have an eye for details. So yeah, it says Bottega Veneta on the little hardware, and then to open it down here, you just kind of slide that down. Also says Bottega Veneta down here. This is a really simple bag. It's not really flashy. It's not like Bottega. It's just like the design speaks for the name of the bag itself, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is the bag. It's the same color throughout the entire bag. It just has this little back pouch inside of it. It feels really nice, y'all. It's giving quality. It's very thick, very like buttery. It's not a shiny type of bag. It's just like a buttery leather though, which we enjoy always over here. It just says Bottega Veneta made in Italy right here on the inside. It's kind of engraved, and then the rest of the inside of the bag is just like the outside. Like it literally looks the same on the inside and outside. This is a really cute bag. It's simple, but it's not simple. So yeah, this is a really cute bag. I don't know, I'm debating if I want to keep her or not. I probably most likely will, but you just never know. So keep an eye out for that Instagram back page. But so cute, y'all. So yeah, that is the first item that I was sent over. Like, they never disappoint. So make sure I go shop with them, and make sure I check out the other video, because I did feature some Fendi items. That was a really nice haul. I really enjoyed that one, so make sure I go check that out. I'll actually put it in the iCard somewhere up here, and I'll link it down below for y'all. The second item I have is another bag, and can y'all guess where the bag is from? Yeah. Let me showing y'all and then telling y'all to guess at the same time. This packaging for this bag, A1. Their packaging usually always is. I just don't be spending too much time on it, because I be wanting to get straight into the items, you know. This one also comes in a dust bag, and it comes with everything. Like I said, I just be getting straight into the items. I usually don't be showing y'all all that anymore, but yes, this is the bag. She's cute. She's giving me, I need to be out of my hometown for this bag. I don't know, that's what she gives me. It's super cute. I love the little bamboo handle. It's just about the same color as the other bag. It's just like a deeper, richer color. This bag is super nice and classy to me, y'all. I would have never picked this one out on my own, but this is super cute nonetheless. And it has the same bamboo detail for like the actual opening of the bag. I gotta actually see what this one's called. It does have the gold hardware, and this is just what the bag looks like when it's opened. Really cute on the inside. Again, this is giving me like I don't need to be where I live. Like I need to be on the beach, somewhere on the beach. I don't know, y'all. That it's just giving me vacation bag for sure. But this is just what the inside looks like. It does say Gucci made in Italy on the back, on this little pocket. There's also a serial number right here on the side. That's one thing I love about this company. Most of their bags will come with a serial number. But yeah, there is a little zip here, and then there's a button here. And it's just really cute. I do love small little cute bags like this. So yeah, this one's actually really cute. She's simple, she's classy. I feel like you can definitely do a lot with this bag, especially with it being such a neutral, beautiful color. And this is just what it looks like. That buttery leather that we all love. Yeah, this is so cute. All right, y'all. So the last and final item is to Alexander McQueen's. It's been a minute since I reviewed some sneakers, I feel like, honestly. It ain't been that long, but it's been long enough. I kind of just got out of that phase after a while of receiving so many sneakers and not being prepared on how to integrate them onto my channel, which is neither here nor there. It was a lot, but I'm back with some more sneakers, and these are really, really cute. So again, some Alexander McQueen's. Y'all, these are so freaking cute to me. I don't know what has come over me with black. I feel like ever since maybe my senior year of high school, I just really started to love wearing the color black. Like, hence the black tie, jet black hair, like black on myself, wearing it in any type of way, shape, form, outfit, top, shoe. I don't know, y'all. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. These right here are freaking gorgeous. They're just, I don't, what size did I get these? Okay, so I got these in a size 41, which is usually my size. Anywhere from 39 to 41. It just depends on the brand, on the shoe, I guess. I don't know from my experience so far, but these are what they look like, y'all. Just get into them. I almost dropped them. Just get into them. These are gorgeous, y'all. It's the black studs for me. And then the silver Alexander McQueen. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. This is what the bottom of them look like. So freaking beautiful. So yes, they sell even Alexander McQueen's and probably other designer sneakers. Like anything that you're interested in and that you're probably looking for, they can probably provide it, sell it to you. Southwind. I freaking love y'all, okay? Anyways, it also says, I don't think y'all can be able to see, but most likely not. But on the inside, it does say Alexander McQueen. Just take my word for it. It definitely does. Yeah, this is the tongue of the shoe, the laces. Everything is just so beautiful about the shoe. Just show y'all both of the shoes side by side. These are them. I'm just here. I'm living. Like, I'm definitely keeping these and styling them for sure. That is the third and final item, y'all. Absolutely am in love with these items, actually. But like I said, stay tuned for the page because you just never know what I'm going to be selling. So yeah, stay tuned for that page. Make sure y'all go show this company some love. Click the first link in my description box to my blog. So y'all can get all the details and information on this Instagram seller. I don't want to say too much, even though I've said everything, but I literally talk a lot on purpose. I literally try to get as much details as I can to you guys on purpose to help y'all out when it comes to shopping for these items. Please go show my favorite brands some love and go shop with them. Tell them I sent y'all. If I have a coupon code or something or anything of the sort, I will have it with the rest of the information. But yeah, y'all, like I said, all three items were from the same brand. And yeah, just make sure I keep running these videos up for me, showing them love, liking them at least. The least you can do is like this video, just to let me know that y'all are feeling these videos, y'all want me to keep doing them, and it just motivates me to keep them going, so I can keep bringing y'all this content, keep collaborating with quality luxe items. Bougie on a budget, babe. Y'all already know. You've been here for a while, you already know, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and get out y'all hair. I ain't gonna waste any more time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe once again. Hit my bell so you can be notified when I upload videos like this, especially if this is what you're into. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Southwind, for sponsoring this video and continuing to work with me. I love y'all, and I will see y'all